Hi y'all, welcome to the Sugar Scoop. I'm sugar and cake artist Shelby Bower, and today we're going to be making a really pretty designer festive birthday cake and matching brownies. Don't forget the brownies. I actually made this cake for New Year's party, but I thought it would be a really cute birthday cake, and it's really simple. It's really fun to put together. It's really easy, and it comes off looking really fancy, and it photographs really well. One of the things that I use is black chocolate ganache, and you don't have to use an overwhelming amount of black food coloring to make this. The trick is to start out with like a semi-sweet chocolate, so it's already a little dark. If you like dark chocolate's perfect, but I just use semi-sweet chocolate. I also used edible gold. Now, edible gold is gold that's pure enough to be able to eat. I use this a lot when I want to just add some interest to a cake and make it really like stand out. It's not that expensive. So you can make this cake on a budget. I'll show you guys where to buy everything that I used for the cake in the description. So let's get started. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I am going to be uploading a lot more in 2019, so I'm excited about 2019 and